Hey everyone, PJ here. Thanksgiving. If you didn't grow up in the US, this holiday can be confusing. People gather around a table loaded with turkey, stuffing, cranberry sauce, and dishes you've never heard of. Everyone has strong opinions about which foods are essential. Families argue about recipes, and if you're invited to your first Thanksgiving dinner, you have no idea what to expect, what to bring, or what people mean when they say, pass the gravy. Today you're meeting Lin and Rebecca. Lin's been in the US for 1 year. This will be her first Thanksgiving. Rebecca's hosting this year and wants Lin to feel comfortable. This is real conversation. Two co-workers talking about food traditions, favorite dishes, and what Thanksgiving actually means. No history lessons about pilgrims, just practical English for navigating your first American Thanksgiving dinner. All right, here we go. Hey Lynn, what are you doing for Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving? I don't know yet. Maybe just stay home.
Stay home? By yourself?
Yes, it's just another Thursday for me.
I guess it is, but you should come to my place.
Your place?
My house. I'm hosting Thanksgiving dinner.
Hosting?
Having people over. Cooking for everyone.
Oh, that's very nice. But I don't want to intrude.
Intrude?
Bother you. Be in the way.
You wouldn't be intruding. I'm inviting you.
Really?
Really. We'll have about 15 people. Friends and family.
15 people? That's a lot.
Yeah, Thanksgiving is usually a big gathering.
What should I bring?
Bring?
To the dinner. Should I bring food?
Oh, you don't have to. But if you want to, you can bring a side dish.
Side dish?
Something besides the main course, like a salad or a vegetable dish.
I don't know what's traditional for Thanksgiving.
That's okay. I can help you figure it out.
What do people usually eat?
Turkey is the main thing. Then, lots of sides.
Sides?
Side dishes. Stuffing, mashed potatoes, green beans, cranberry sauce.
I don't know what stuffing is.
I forget not everyone grows up with this. Stuffing is bread cubes mixed with herbs and vegetables.
Bread? For dinner?
I know it sounds weird, but it's delicious. Trust me.
Do people actually eat all these things?
All of them. That's why Thanksgiving dinner is huge.
Huge?
So much food. Way more than you can eat.
Why so much food?
It's tradition. Thanksgiving is about abundance.
Abundance?
Having plenty. More than enough. Being grateful for what you have.
Oh, that's a nice idea.
Yeah, that's the whole point of the holiday.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving dish?
Ooh, good question. Probably mashed potatoes.
Just mashed potatoes?
I know it's boring, but my mom makes them with so much butter and cream. They're amazing.
That sounds very rich.
Rich?
Heavy. Lots of fat and calories.
Oh, it's super rich. That's Thanksgiving. Everything is rich and heavy.
Tell me more about the turkey.
Turkey is the star of the meal, the main event.
Main event?
The most important part. Everything else is just supporting it.
How do you cook a turkey?
Usually, you roast it in the oven for hours.
Hours?
Yeah, like 4 or 5 hours depending on the size.
That's so long.
It's a big bird. Takes time to cook through.
Cook through?
Cook completely. Make sure it's done in the middle.
Is it difficult to cook?
It can be tricky. Some people stress about it.
Stress about it?
Worry. Get nervous. They're afraid of overcooking it.
Overcooking?
Cooking it too long makes it dry.
Dry?
Not juicy. Hard to eat. Nobody wants dry turkey.
So you have to cook it perfectly.
Pretty much. That's why some people buy it already cooked.
You can do that?
Sure, some stores sell pre-cooked turkeys. Just heat and eat.
That seems easier.
Definitely easier. But some people love the tradition of cooking it themselves.
What about the cranberry sauce? What is that?
Cranberries are small red berries. We cook them with sugar.
Berries with dinner?
I know. It's kind of strange. Sweet and savory together.
Savory?
Not sweet. Salty or meaty flavors. Like the turkey and stuffing.
So you eat sweet and savory at the same time.
Exactly. Some people love it. Some people hate it.
Which are you?
I love it. The sweetness balances the heavy foods.
Balances?
Makes it not too rich. Adds a different flavor.
That's interesting. What else is on the table?
Let's see. Mashed potatoes, stuffing, cranberry sauce. Usually green bean casserole.
Casserole?
A dish where you bake everything together. Green beans with cream and crispy onions on top.
That sounds unique.
It is unique, very American, very Thanksgiving.
What about dessert?
Oh, pumpkin pie is the classic.
Pumpkin? Like the orange vegetable?
Exactly. We make it into a sweet pie.
I've seen pumpkins in stores. They're for eating.
Some are for eating. Some are for decoration.
How do you know which is which?
Decoration pumpkins are called jack-o'-lanterns for Halloween.
Oh, I saw those last month.
Yeah, different pumpkins. The ones for pie are smaller and sweeter.
And people like pumpkin pie?
It's traditional. But honestly, people are divided.
Divided?
Some love it, some hate it. I'm on team love it.
Team love it.
Just means I'm in the group that loves it.
What's the worst Thanksgiving dish?
Oh no, controversial question.
Controversial?
People will disagree strongly. Everyone has opinions.
Tell me yours then.
Okay, don't judge me. I hate candied yams.
Candied yams?
Yams are like sweet potatoes. Candied means covered in sugar and marshmallows.
Marshmallows? On vegetables?
I know. It's too sweet for me.
Do people actually make this?
All the time. It's super traditional, but I can't stand it.
Can't stand it.
Really dislike it. It's too much.
Will you make it this year?
Probably. My aunt loves it. I make it for her.
Even though you don't like it.
That's Thanksgiving. You make dishes for the people you love.
That's sweet.
What about you? What foods do you eat on special occasions in China?
For New Year, we eat dumplings, fish, many special dishes.
Sounds amazing. Do you miss those foods?
Sometimes, especially around holidays.
I bet. Hey, you could bring something Chinese to Thanksgiving.
Really? That's allowed?
Allowed? Of course. There are no rules.
But I thought it had to be traditional American food.
Some people do only traditional, but lots of families mix it up.
Mix it up?
Include different foods, especially in diverse families.
Diverse?
People from different backgrounds, different cultures.
So I could bring dumplings?
That would be amazing. Everyone would love that.
You think so?
Definitely. It's becoming more common. Fusion Thanksgiving.
Fusion.
Mixing two different styles, like traditional American plus your culture.
I like that idea.
Me too. Makes it more personal, more meaningful.
Meaningful?
Has special significance. Matters to you.
Yes, that would make me feel more comfortable.
Good. That's the point. Thanksgiving should be comfortable.
What's your best Thanksgiving memory?
Probably when I was 10. My whole extended family came.
Extended family.
Aunts, uncles, cousins. Not just parents and siblings.
That must have been crowded.
So crowded, but so fun. We played games after dinner.
What kind of games?
Board games, card games. The kids ran around outside.
That sounds nice.
It was perfect. That's what Thanksgiving is supposed to be. Family, food, and fun.
Can I ask some practical questions?
Of course.
What time should I arrive?
Dinner is at 5. Come around 4:30.
4:30. Should I dress up?
Dress up?
Wear nice clothes. Formal clothes.
Oh, no, casual is fine. Maybe business casual at most.
Business casual?
Like nice jeans and a sweater. Nothing too fancy.
Okay, what about after dinner?
After dinner?
Do people leave right away?
Usually no. People hang around, chat, maybe watch football.
Football?
American football. It's traditional to watch games on Thanksgiving.
I don't really understand football.
That's okay. You can just sit and pretend to watch.
Pretend to watch?
Act like you're watching. Really, you're just digesting and relaxing.
Digesting?
Your stomach is processing all that food. Takes time.
How long do people usually stay?
A few hours after dinner, but you can leave whenever you want.
I won't be rude if I leave early.
Not at all. Just say thank you and goodbye.
Should I help clean up?
That's sweet, but don't worry about it. You're a guest.
Guest?
Someone invited to the event. Guests don't have to clean.
Are you sure? In my culture, we always help.
Well, if you want to help, I won't stop you. But there's no pressure.
No pressure?
No requirement. No expectation.
Okay. I'll see how I feel.
Perfect. Oh, one more thing.
What?
At some point, we'll probably go around the table.
Go around the table.
Everyone says something they're thankful for, grateful for.
Everyone has to talk?
It's tradition, but you can keep it simple.
What should I say?
Whatever you want. I'm thankful for my new job, or I'm grateful for new friends.
That doesn't seem too hard.
It's not. Usually, it's really nice. Sometimes people get emotional.
Emotional?
Cry a little. Feel lots of feelings.
Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
It's a sentimental holiday about gratitude and family.
Sentimental.
Makes you feel emotional. Touches your heart.
I think I understand Thanksgiving better now.
Good. Any other questions?
What if I don't like something?
Just don't eat it. Take small portions of everything.
Portions?
Amounts, servings. Just take a little of each dish.
That way I can try everything.
Exactly. And if you love something, go back for seconds.
Seconds.
A second helping. More of the same dish.
I might need seconds of those mashed potatoes.
Now you're getting it. That's the Thanksgiving spirit.
Thank you for inviting me, Rebecca.
Thank you for coming. It'll be fun having you there.
I'm actually excited now.
You should be. It's going to be great.
And I'll bring dumplings.
Please do. Everyone will love them.
Okay, I'll make them the night before.
Perfect. See you Thursday.
See you Thursday. And Rebecca,
Yeah.
I'm thankful for you, for being a good friend.
Aw, Lin, I'm thankful for you too. All right, let's break this down. Thanksgiving dishes. If you're from another country, the food traditions might seem strange. Key vocabulary you heard today. Hosting. Having people at your home for an event. Side dish. Food served alongside the main course. Not the main thing, but important. Stuffing. Bread cubes mixed with herbs and vegetables. Goes inside or next to the turkey. Roast. Cook in the oven with dry heat. How turkey is usually cooked. Dry. Meat that's overcooked and not juicy. Savory, not sweet. Salty or meaty flavors. Casserole. Dish where ingredients are baked together in one pan. Candied, covered in sugar. Made very sweet. Can't stand, really dislike something. Hate it. Mix it up. Include variety. Do things differently. Fusion. Combining two different styles or cultures. Extended family. Aunts, uncles, cousins. Beyond immediate family. Business casual. Nice but not formal clothes. Somewhere between casual and dressy. Guest, person invited to an event, not the host. Portion, serving size. Amount of food. Seconds, a second helping of food. Going back for more. Phrases you need at Thanksgiving dinner. This is delicious. Could you pass the I'm thankful for? Can I help with anything? What's in this dish? I'm full, but this is amazing. Simple phrases. Everyone uses them. Notice how Rebecca made Lin feel comfortable? She explained everything. No judgment about not knowing. That's how you help someone experiencing their first Thanksgiving. Also notice Lin's smart question. What should I bring? If you're invited to Thanksgiving, ask the host. Some say nothing, some say a side dish, some say whatever you want. Thanksgiving food is about comfort and tradition, but traditions change. Lots of families now include dishes from different cultures. That's what makes it special. Your homework. If you're going to Thanksgiving dinner, learn these dishes: turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, cranberry sauce, pumpkin pie. Know what they are so you're not confused. Practice saying, I'm thankful for, and then add something real. Your job, your friends, your health, whatever matters to you. And if you're hosting someone new to Thanksgiving, be like Rebecca. Explain the traditions, make them feel welcome. Let them contribute something from their culture. One more thing. You don't have to love all Thanksgiving foods. Rebecca hates candied yams. That's fine. Try everything, but don't force yourself to eat what you don't like. If this helped you feel more confident about Thanksgiving, hit subscribe for more real English conversations. Thanks for spending time with me. I'm PJ, and I'll talk to you soon.